Let's learn section formula, which is one of the most important concept in coordinate geometry. So section formula help us to find the coordinates of the point P, which divides the line segment joining the points A, B in some fixed ratio, suppose m is to n. Now let the coordinates of the point A be x1, y1, and let the coordinates of the point B is x2, y2. And of course, P will also have some coordinates. Let those be x, comma, y. Now this point P is dividing AB line segment internally in the ratio m is to n. So what are the coordinates of P? That is given by the section formula. So m multiplied by x2 plus n multiplied by x1 over m plus n. Notice that since I am writing the x coordinate of the P, so m will be multiplied by the x coordinate x2 and n will be multiplied by x coordinate of A, comma. Now let's write the y coordinate. So m will be multiplied by the y coordinate of B, that means m times y2 plus n times y1 divided by m plus n. So these are the coordinates of the point P, and this formula is called as section formula. Let's try some questions based on the section formula. So find the coordinates of the point P that divides the line segment joining the points A and B in the ratio 1 is to 2. Now the coordinates of A are 3, 5 and B has the coordinates of 2, -6. Let the coordinates of the P be x, y and the ratio is 1 is to 2. So by section formula, the coordinates of P will be given by this 1 times 2. So 1 times 2 plus then this 2 times 3 divided by the ratio m is plus n. This is m and this is n. So m plus n means 1 plus 2. Now let's write the y coordinate for the point P. So 1 will be multiplied by the y coordinate. That means 1 times -6 plus this n 2 will be multiplied by the y coordinate of A point. That means 5 and divided by 1 plus 2. That means m plus n. That's it. And now we just have to simplify it. So it gives me P. Now 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 3 is 6 over 3, comma, 1 times -6 is -6 plus 2 times 5 is 10 divided by 3. Now 2 plus 6 is 8, so 8 over 3 and -6 plus 10 is 4, so 4 over 3. So these are the coordinates of this point P, which divides the line segment AB in the ratio 1 is to 2 when the coordinates of A and B are already given to you. The next question is, find the midpoint of AB where A is 2, 3 and B is 6, 10. So let's write over here A is 2, 3, B is 6, 10 and there is a point P whose coordinates are x, y which we need to find. And notice the word, it's midpoint. Midpoint means this point P is dividing AB in the ratio 1 is to 1 because it is a midpoint, so it lies in the middle, exactly middle. So the ratio will be 1 is to 1. So let's find the coordinates of P. So the first one we will find x coordinate. So 1 will be multiplied by the x coordinate. So 1 times 6 plus 1 times 2 divided by 1 plus 1, comma, y coordinate 1 times 10 plus 1 times 3 over 1 plus 1. So it becomes P 1 times 6 is 6, 1 times 2 is 2 over 2 and 1 times 10 is 10, 1 times 3 is 3 over 2. Notice that what we are doing for x coordinate, I am just adding this 2 and this 6 means 2 plus 6 and I'm dividing by 2, and for y coordinate I am adding this 3 and this 10 means y coordinate and we are dividing by 2. So basically this is called as the finding the midpoints. We just have to do the coordinates of P will be x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So this is the straight formula. Instead of section formula, you can use this formula to find the coordinates of P when the ratio is 1 is to 1. All you need is to add the x coordinates, y coordinates and divide them by 2. So it gives me 6 plus 2 is 8 divided by 2, 10 plus 3 is 13 divided by 2. So 8 divided by 2 is 4 and 13 divided by 2 is 6.5, and these are the coordinates of the P point. Next question will be, find the ratio. Now this is a different question in which we need to find the ratio in which the point P 4, 3 is dividing the line segment joining the points 1, 1. So let this point be A. and the point 7 comma 4, and let this point be B. And in this case, we need to find m is to n. So now in the previous questions, the coordinates of P were required to find out and the ratio was given. Here the ratio is unknown and the coordinates of P are given to you. So we will apply the section formula as usual, and let's see what do we get. Let the ratio be m is to n, of course, and then by the section formula, we will be getting the P coordinates as m times 7 means 7m plus n times 1 means n over m plus n, comma y coordinate m times 4 means 4m plus n times 1 means just n over m plus n. Now, these are the coordinates of P by section formula, but the coordinates of P are already given to you. They are saying the coordinates of P are 4, comma 3. So, of course, this coordinate will be equal to 4 and this coordinate will be equal to 3, because of course x coordinate will be equal to x coordinate and y coordinate will be equal to y coordinates. So we can use the y coordinate or x coordinate, anything, the answer would come out to be same. So let's equate the y coordinates. So 4m plus n over m plus n is equal to 3. Now use the cross multiplication. So we get 4m plus n is equal to 3 times m is 3m plus 3n. All right, I'm writing over here. So 4m minus 3m, just separate the variables, equals 3n minus n. 4m minus, okay, this one is m. 4m minus 3m is just 1m is equal to 3n minus n is 2n. So what do you think the ratio will be? M is 1m is equal to 2n's. So the ratio of m over n is equal to 2 over 1. That means m is to n is equal to 2 is to 1. So this is the ratio in which the point P is dividing the line segment AB with the given coordinates. That's all in this section formula. Hope you liked the video. Bye bye. See you in the next one.